What are the rules on companies label things keto? Nothing. It's a marketing term. Low carb, keto, keto-friendly marketing term. Dr. Ryan Lowry, ketogenic.com, has a keto certification. That's a good program, but you've got to do your due diligence because there's also fake keto certifications. I've seen them on labels. So like Hecka Good Foods is one that I know is keto certified through ketogenic.com. But you can go to ketogenic.com and look at their keto certification for foods, and I believe they have a list there. There's not a lot.
Yeah.
So keto, low carb, marketing terms. Every time I see those terms on a label, that's a red flag for me to dive deeper into the ingredients list and then look up every ingredient.
Tara was out in Arizona with her cousin doing some baking for the keto cookbook, and they came across 2 bags of cacao powder. One was keto-friendly cacao powder, or keto cacao powder, and the other one was just cacao powder. Back of the bag, exact same ingredients, exact same thing, no changes except for keto was on the label. And they were charging $2 more for it.
Same thing.
So
keep that in mind. It's just a marketing term.